piece is for a Mark II Jaguar. It's a fender top and a right front side. And right now we have shrinking dies. It's actually a thumbnail die, and it's a tiny one. Okay, so what I first did is I cut out a blank, and then what I need to do is shape it, get some curve to it. And it reciprocates, goes up and down, and it kind of squashes it, and then folds the metal in on itself. So now I take it to the English wheel and get a slight crown here that matches the curve that I'm working, kind of roll that through, but that'll smooth everything out. I've used the bead roller here to do a little joggle, so that's where this second piece mounts to this and gets welded, winds up being flush, and then again back to the lead work, it smooths everything out. So what I'll do is I'll scribe a line and I'll follow that line through to get that teardrop shape. Since it's a marker light and you got a light bulb assembly, comes through the front, so you need some space for that. I have to dish this out, and I do that by stretching it on the sandbag, and then I smooth it out on the planishing hammer. So this is the top of the fender I was talking about. There's the housing. That was all rotten. You can see how bad that gets. So it's all perforated. So what I like to do sometimes is make a flexible pattern, and I crisscross some tape, a marker line, center line, so I know where I'm at. Okay, and then I sketch out all the details. And then this, you can see where the dished area is. So that kind of shows me how deep it needs to be. So here we have the final piece. Line up the marks. So where the wires will come through. This needs shaping itself just to make that fit. That needs to get bent down, and that'll get spot welded. Your light fixture goes in here, and that's your wire hole all in there. So we load it up and then file it back, shape it. Yeah, it's good to go.